When welding molten stainless steel, please remember, don't be afraid of high current. If you're welding 5mm pipe, the current should be at least 150. To achieve the desired texture, this current is essential. Lower current results in a less clear texture. Why? Because a lower current creates a thinner weld pool, weakening the three-dimensional effect. Higher current creates a larger weld pool, resulting in a stronger three-dimensional effect. Now, some experienced welders might say, "Won't a high current make the weld black?" Yeah, wrong. Look here. Have you noticed that all experienced welders use large-sized welders with a filter screen inside? This filter screen provides better gas protection. So, if you turn the gas to 15, 20, or even slightly higher, using this large filter screen, you won't see any unsightly color. Therefore, there's no need to worry about an unsightly color. After adjusting the current, you'll find that the edge lines are incredibly sharp. What are the circles on the edge of a khaki crease? Today, we'll break it down in detail for you. If you've read this far, please give us a like and follow. Left edge, right edge, these are the two edge lines. So, if you want to crease a line, the first thing you need to understand is how much to press on both sides of the edge line when covering the surface. Many beginners are afraid of not pressing the edge line well, so they press it too much, resulting in a lot of excess on both sides. But this is the reason for your problem. You need to start with this edge line. The greater the outward expansion, the larger the error will be. If you place 3 at a time, then 2, then 1, and then again 2 and 1.5, then 2, 3, 4 and 1.5, the error will be significant. You'll see the edge line is crooked. So, here's a little trick for marking the edge line. When the two sides are interlocking, the interlocking distance should be 0.51 millimeters. Of course, if the weld is wide in some places and narrow in others, we should use the wider part as the principal and adjust the line accordingly. This means that the width and narrowness of the entire edge line should be consistent. To make the texture more three-dimensional, you must control the length of your 5 needles. In fact, the length of the needle tip in argon arc welding is very crucial. Some brothers press the needle tip very low, and the current is also very low when welding. You will find that no matter how you take a step, you can't take a big step. Some friends say that you are talking nonsense. When welding oscillating welding, as long as you twist your steps big, won't your steps be big? In fact, no matter how big your steps are, your texture will not be clear. So our drone length needs to be longer. Remember, brother, if you want to play like a star when welding oscillating welding, you must use a long endless. After your needle is long, combine it with the speed of your swing. You see, when we swing, you must be careful. Don't arrange it like that, soft and mushy on both sides. You can see that the texture is definitely not good. Let's see how I operate it. When swinging in the middle, speed up 1, 2, 1, 2. Have you all noticed a pattern? When I get to the middle, I slow down on both sides. Okay, the reason for doing this is to prevent the edges from not being aligned. So what is the purpose of the middle block? It's to quickly fling the molten iron so that your molten iron forms a pair of textures. If you fling the middle fast, you'll have plenty of points. If you fling the middle slowly, no matter how evenly you sell, you'll find that you don't have a perfect texture. So considering these key points, next we'll adjust the current to 150 or 160 for everyone to operate. Let's see my machine watching skills. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.